So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. So she has hair around shoulder length. The stylist is going quite short here. Beautiful pixie cut with the bangs going there in the front. I love the texture that this cut has. It also features the longer sideburn trend. And the cut just frames her face beautifully. Next up, we have a bob haircut. Oh, long to short makeover here for this one. I would say she started off with maybe like waist length hair. Oh, wow. Look at this bob. I love the fullness that this has as well. Absolutely gorgeous. And then here we have another pixie. Followed by another hair makeover. Oh, wow. Okay, she is going really short for this one too. Ooh. Oh, this is gorgeous. Concave style bob. I love the amount of body that had. Next up here we have another pixie. This is more of like a longer pixie variation or a pixie bob style. Super cute cut. And I like the fact that we get a nice 360 view of it. And then here we have another bob. Beautiful asymmetrical style. Hair is longer in the front, shorter in the back. Followed by another pixie. Now this one also features some bangs. Super cute. I love the red lip here that she has with the top and the necklace. Perfect style for like the spring, summer season. Here we have another bob. This is giving us messy chic. I love the slight wavy texture. Oh, so she actually ended up cutting the hair. Oh, wow. I love the before, but I am obsessed with the after. Cute little Peter Pan pixie cut here. A lot of body. Look how much volume she has. Gorgeous. And then here we have another pixie. Nice amount of texture within this cut as well. Swoop bang going there in the front. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.